In this tutorial, I'll show you how to attach a file when replying to an email in Outlook. It's a quick and easy way to include documents, photos, or other files with your response. Open Outlook and sign in if needed. From your inbox, open the email you want to reply to, then click Reply. In the reply window, click the Attach or Attach File button, usually represented by a paperclip icon. If you are using Classic Outlook, you can also go to the Insert tab and select Attach File. Browse your computer and select the file you want to include, then click Open. The file will be attached to your reply and will appear above your message. Finish writing your response, make sure the correct file is attached, and then click Send. That's how to attach a file when replying to an email in Outlook. Thanks for watching.